You can see that I've received this Philips trimmer from Amazon, and we're going to unbox it and show you how it is. Very complicated packaging. Here we open the back section, and this entire thing slides out here. You can see it's got a manual, user's manual and operating manual here. So I can see it's beautifully packed. This is some kind of a plastic sheet, and there got a small little bag for this, and here's the trimmer with some covers on this, so if you need to cover, we can always cover this. And it's got a battery as well. At the back there is nothing, so let's open this and see how to fix this. It's a little complicated. The back is a little complicated, but I think we'll be able to open it. There. It's got a kind of a vacuum in, and here I think it's better. It's better to fix this part first and then fix this. So here it goes. Let's try. Oh, seems to be perfect. Now let's take a little portion of the hair and see how effective it is. So it's quite effective. You can see, let me show you one section of my hand over here. See this, absolutely clean with least effort. Just glides through and is able to clean off. See, this section is completely clean, so it's very effective, nice and compact, and it comes in this carry case, so we can always put a cover first on top of the blades. Sits very well, you can see, and then you can take it anyway. It's quite easy and portable, so looks quite nice, easy to handle, not too big and not too small either. You can hear how smooth the blades are. Always take off the top cover. While some say the blades are made of plastic, and I think they are, but that doesn't matter so long as it's effective. See this section? I just want to show you. It's absolutely clean versus the other part that's a little hairy. So yes, I would urge you to go in for the Philips trimmer if you're looking for one. It's also effective, very effective for nose, ear, and I think they mentioned eyebrows as well. Comes in a very compact pouch. Here it is. Fantastic product, highly recommended.